Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you, and it is Monday, June the 10th, and hope you all had a great weekend. This is a quick recap on how the trading went today. Let's dive right in. Trading went pretty well today, actually. We had a really nice move. Morning session, kind of choppy around, 9:30 to 10. And then finally around 10:30, we broke out of the 15-minute opening range. And yeah, after we did that, I was looking for pullbacks to go with the trend and took the first trade here, second trade here, third trade here, fourth trade here, and all of them were winners. One thing I will say to critique my trading today, again, I might really look to implement a new rule for me. It was actually this trade right here. Let me zoom in so you can see a little bit better, but this is just a good example of what I'm talking about. So again, pull back, close to the EMA here. That's not the trade I meant. That's the first trade. So here we started pulling back, and I entered right here, which was a little bit of a premature entry, but I'm totally fine with that entry. My stop was right here at the 1960s, and I was just trying to be patient. Well, I micromanage my trades, and I was in some drawdown here, and as soon as we started getting back above, I kind of suffered through some drawdown, and then instead of just being patient, going with the trend and keeping my take profit where I had it, I prematurely closed the trade for only a $40 winner instead of my regular 22 ticks. I closed it with 8 ticks. And it was just me kind of panicking out, and I have a tendency to micromanage my trades when I'm sitting at my desk. And I'm really considering, if I'm in a trade, to do a 15-minute timer and I leave my desk and I have to go work out or whatever I do, but I have to allow 15 minutes time before I come back to my desk. And basically, obviously I'm setting my stop loss, I'm setting my take profit, and then I leave so I don't micromanage the trade. So something I'm really contemplating making that change. This would have worked. Also, I had another trade on my other accounts where I did the same thing. Let's actually switch to that account. Had a pretty decent day of trading on these accounts. I didn't take a lot of trades. We have these two accounts, $200 in profit. And then this account here was my last trade of the day. And it was this one right here. We had just made new highs, and this was a case where I was really aggressive on my entry. I thought, after we broke to new highs, we might pull back, about just a little bit and then keep going. We obviously didn't. I had my stop loss like right below this area right here. And again, I sat through quite a bit of drawdown. And then I just finally, at $100, I just took my loss, which in reality wasn't actually a bad loss to take. I would have actually it would have missed my take profit by like 2 ticks. So in hindsight, it was actually a good loss or a good decision to cut the trade short. But I ended up, after I took that trade, I was like, yeah, I'm done for the day. And I had a good day going, and I decided, you know what, I'm just going to stop trading for the day and shut everything down, which I'm very glad I did, because afterwards we had this pretty crazy price action here that I'm pretty sure I would have found a way to lose money in. So I'm pretty happy to be green on the day and move on. Tomorrow's another day, and we will be back tomorrow. So anyway, that does it for today, and we will be back tomorrow. Take care, everybody. Hope you all had a green day. And we'll be back tomorrow. Take care. Have a great evening. And God bless.